You and John are playing tetherball.
Oh.
Okay, that looked like it hurt. And that looked like it hurt too.
Oh, crap. What a person. You're hitting it the wrong way, retard.
Dude, they suck.
Yeah, that's a retarded.
Thanks for hitting it my way,
That's what I call retarded. And
Dude, these guys suck. Dude!
Alright, new game. I've never played tetherball. What? Keep recording, buddy.
Come on, guys, y'all suck.
keep recording, Brady.
Oh gosh, that had to hurt. It hit himself. Oh, it's a fight. Oh. Oh crap. This ain't good. He's taking him to the dogs. Oh, there he goes. Here he comes. Oh, he bit him.
Stupid dog bit me my teeth.
Oh, he bit him. Did he really bite
Stop
you?
the camera.